fan now, Solo, where you dey?
Wetin happen?
The woman wey you do operation for.
When you forget scissors for our belle wey kpai, the family there dey cause serious wahala o.
The family dey look for you.
Oga, you wey sew the belle wey no see the scissors nko.
I don't know, me no like you don't know. I don't know, you just settle abeg.
Solo, when you go come? This thing wahala dey o. When you go come?
Wetin you dey talk? Which one be when I want to come back? If na you go come back.
Okay, where you dey? Where you dey? Who now go do am now?
I don't know where I do. But I don't resign.
I no dey come back to that place again.
Jesus.
You know the way to.
Baba don resign later abeg.
Hello? Ah, Solo don call.
What type of plane is this?
Ew, no be to put uniform follow Solo. 1xBet is the best and the most reliable betting platform. Registration is free. Use the promo code PILLSBELT in capital letter and get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Browse the 1x game section and discover various categories of unique games which are available only for 1xBet members. Also, enjoy the no respect offer on 1xBet.
Hello? Hello, sister? Now only the MC now just remain. We don't do all the necessary arrangements. Now only MC remain. At about 500 to 600,000 or 800,000 thereabout. Oh yeah, quick now so that we no say the burial now just burial. All right, thank you very much. Would they wait?
Excuse me, sir. Good day, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please. I overheard you making calls. We're looking for MC, sir.
Oh yes, for my father's burial, yes.
Oh, sir, that's my job, sir.
Wow.
I'm a professional MC, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very
I
good.
do burials, weddings.
What are your charges?
I don't charge much, sir. 500,000 is not bad, sir.
500.
Yes, sir.
Well, anyway, it's okay. The burial is for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
I just hope you give us a good job. So give me your account number.
You didn't tell me. If I knew it was tomorrow, at least I would have like 600, 700. But no,
No, 500 now.
no problem, sir.
Okay. Oh yeah, please can you give me your account number?
06 90
Okay.
53.
Yes.
That's it.
Okay, this is your name, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this bank.
Exactly, sir.
All right. Check. Sent already. Okay.
Sir.
Can I reach you through this number, please?
Yes, sir. That's my number.
All right, no problem. It's for tomorrow by 12 noon. I'll
No.
send you every other
Sir.
details. Just give us good job. It's for tomorrow, 12 noon.
Sir, just leave the work for me, sir.
All right, let me just go and attend to the others.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
My brother, don't be thank God. I never seen this kind of miracle for my life before. So, if person there wake up, Nari. Ha! This one is the greatest miracle man does see for my time. What did happen for you?
As you just waka come out, then Papa your sneeze wake up.
Just like that.
Something like that.
Papa, what did happen?
And Papa Kezi, he said because I dey work for here, as I just reach gate like this, bam. The man no gree make I enter. He say I dey owe am money, I need to go back, may I pay the children money.
Thank God, and we don't do all burial arrangement. I just pay MC finish so.
No, don't cook.
Cook.
Papa. Be like say no be Papa Ekezi here pursue you come back. I just see na hunger.
That's where resurrect no the chop.
Stand up, Papa. May you enter house. You know,
Don't let them come see you here. Hold on, well.
What type of plane is this?
Hello?
MC, how now?
Thank you, sir. Yes. I just want to inform you
That the burial will not be holding again. Oh, it has been cancelled.
Sir?
yes, my father just wake up from the dead.
Please, we need a refund of that money, please.
Sir. The money where they don't give person, then they return am more.
Meaning?
Just say so I don't book me down.
Okay, no worry. If the man die again, when I call me, just say so I don't book me.
What type of plane is this?